There's an indicator out there that quietly does what most traders wish they could do in real time. It spots high probability trade zones, detects hidden market structure, and filters out noise with laser focus. It doesn't just react to price action, it anticipates it. In this video, I will show you how to use an indicator that blends structure with precision in a way that might just change how you approach trading charts. I'll walk you through how it works and how you can start using it in your own trading. First of all, you'll need to get the indicator on your trading chart. I'm using TradingView for this demonstration. Once you're logged in, load up the chart of any market and time frame you typically trade. Then click the Indicators button at the top. Then search for channels with patterns. You're looking for the one created by ChartPrime. Click on it to add it to your chart. What you're seeing now is the Channels with Patterns indicator in action. The core concept behind this tool is pretty straightforward. It automatically detects trend channels using pivot points and volatility metrics, then overlays candlestick pattern labels whenever those patterns occur near the top or bottom of the channel. This is where the real value comes in. The combination of structure and pattern gives you potential confirmation for entries or exits. On your chart, you'll notice a channel automatically drawn with an upper boundary, a lower boundary, and sometimes a midline. The upper boundary can be treated as potential resistance and the lower boundary as potential support. You'll also start to see small pattern labels appear, for example, EG for an engulfing pattern or H for a hammer pattern. These only show up when a valid pattern forms close to either edge of the channel, which adds an extra layer of confirmation. If price breaks out of the channel, you'll see a breakup or breakdown label indicating a potential breakout trade. Now let's quickly go through the settings. To access the settings, you can click on the gear icon next to the indicator name to access the inputs.
Do you feel like everyone around you benefits from artificial intelligence, but you have no idea where to start? Don't wait any longer. Start today. Our free trading bot is simple to use, powered by artificial intelligence, and can earn you up to 1% profit every single day. Over 500 members have already joined. Click the link below now to get free access. This is your chance to harness the power of AI and take a step toward a financial boost.
Right at the top, you'll find presets for different asset classes like stocks, Forex, and crypto, or you can choose user to manually fine-tune everything. You can also adjust how pivot points are calculated, using either candle wicks or bodies, and define whether a break should be confirmed by the candle close or just its high or low. There's an instant mode toggle that speeds up the channel detection, and below that you'll find ATR-based controls to fine-tune the width and placement of the channel using volatility data. You can also adjust pivot length, smoothing for highs and lows, and choose which candlestick patterns you want the indicator to track, including hammers, inverted hammers, bullish and bearish engulfings. Additionally, you can control whether channels extend into the future, whether break labels are shown, and how many previous channels remain visible on your chart. On top of that, there are plenty of style settings to customize the appearance. Here you can change everything from colors and transparency to pattern label visuals and alert settings. So, how can you actually use this tool in your trading? The main idea is to let the indicator give you structure, the channel boundaries, and then wait for the candlestick pattern signals to appear at those key levels. For example, if price is pulling back to the lower boundary of a channel and you spot a bullish pattern like an engulfing candle or hammer forming there, that's a potential buy setup with added confluence. On the other hand, if price is rising toward the upper boundary and a bearish engulfing sign appears, that might signal a potential reversal to the downside. So this would be considered as a sell opportunity. Those breakup and breakdown labels also serve a key role. When price decisively moves outside the channel, that could be a sign of a trend continuation or a breakout move, giving you another type of trade setup to consider. Let's go through some live buy and sell trade examples. Here, the price was trending sideways within a fairly well-defined channel. As price approaches the lower boundary, we notice a hammer candlestick formed and the indicator displays the H label right on that candle. This happens in confluence with the price touching the lower channel edge. At that point, we can open a buy position at the close of the hammer candle. We place our stop loss just below the most recent swing low, slightly outside the channel, and set our take profit near the midline or upper boundary depending on your risk-reward preferences. If you see multiple bullish signals forming near the lower band, like both a hammer and a bullish engulfing, that's an added layer of confluence. Let the signal close and confirm first. Now, let's go through one more buy trade example. Then we will go through a sell trade example. Now, here's another live buy example. As we can see here, the price pulls back toward the lower band, and we observe a bullish engulfing pattern show up right at the channel's edge, marked by the EG label from the indicator. That's our signal to open a buy setup. So we can open a buy trade at the close of that candle. Our stop loss is placed just beneath the most recent swing low, and the take profit is set near the opposite side of the channel, or even slightly before that if market conditions are choppy. When using this indicator, try to trade in the direction of the overall market structure. If the broader trend is bullish, prioritize long trades at the lower band and be cautious with sell trades. This alignment increases probability. Now let's go through a sell trade example. In this scenario, we can see the price steadily climbs toward the upper boundary of the channel. As it touches that upper boundary, the indicator gave us a signal that a bearish engulfing candle has formed, confirmed with the EG label. That's our cue, so we can open a sell position at the close of the engulfing candle. The stop loss for a sell trade goes just above the swing high, and the target could be the midline or the lower boundary of the channel. You can also go for a fixed risk to reward ratio, as per your trading style. This setup aims to catch the reversal from the top of the range back toward the lower side. Avoid opening a sell position too early. Wait for the price to reach the channel edge and for the pattern to fully complete, especially on higher timeframes where signals tend to be more reliable. Lastly, let's consider one more sell setup. Price breaks above the upper boundary briefly, then quickly closes back inside the channel. Right after re-entering the channel, we spot an bearish engulfing candle forming at the upper edge, marked by the EG label. This is a good sell signal, especially in a weak market. We go short at the candle close, place our stop above the swing high, and you can also aim for 2-to-1 risk to reward ration. False breakouts combined with bearish patterns near resistance zones often signal strong reversals. Look for volume or momentum divergence to add confidence to the trade. To sum it up, the Channels with Patterns indicator by ChartPrime is a well-thought-out tool that blends automatic channel detection with context-aware candlestick pattern recognition. It helps you spot potential reversals, bounces, and breakout trades by offering confluence between price structure and pattern behavior. It's especially useful for traders who want to combine structure-based trading with pattern confirmation. And the flexibility of the settings lets you tailor the experience to fit your own strategy. If you found this breakdown valuable, consider dropping a like or subscribing to stay updated with more indicator reviews and trading strategies. Thanks for watching till the end. I'll see you guys in the next video.